Hello everyone, welcome to a quick training for Trello. This inshallah will be the future of how we make the front line much more connected to the head office and to our area manager and sales directors. Trello as a program, you'll know for this example, your area managers should have already told you, we're running for the VM campaigns to start with. So what you have here is the Trello, this is the program. It's available on the computer, like just in the internet like this. It's available on an application on tablet and application on mobile. The beauty of it is that no matter where you're using it, everything updates together. Everything is live on the internet at all times and it doesn't use much data at all. So in this example, you can see we have Bawabat al-Sharq Mall in Abu Dhabi. This whole area is called a board. Now, every single store will have their own board, okay? So if you're in Mall of the Emirates, or you're in Red Sea Mall, or you're in Khobar, you will see your own board, yeah? And you will not be able to see anyone else's board. So now this whole area is called a board. Inside the board, we have many lists. You can see here is a VM campaign, which looks like this, which I'll explain shortly. Also, in the future, you will have more lists, and your area managers will create lists for you, and so will the head office. And in the future, there's much potential for how we can go on. But right now, let us focus for VM. By now, your area manager would have told you we're running this with VM. You will be getting a link in your email, which is linked to your store inbox, where you have to sign up to Trello, and you'll have access to your board depending on which store you're in. So you can see here for the 10th of November Bold Lash Mascara campaign, we have taken the VM guide and split it out into different cards, okay? That's the next thing we have to learn is cards. This is a card. This little area is a card. If we click on the card, it opens up like this, okay? Now this is the inside of a card. You can see here, this is the campaign elements card. And just as before you had the campaign elements in the PDF, now we split it out and you have the same stuff here. So you can see here, here's the campaign boss. And we move right, here's the campaign elements, right? So underneath that, we also have a checklist to make sure that things are going on. Now you can see here, there's a few things you have to check. Now, if we go into another card, you'll see here the promo table setup. So this is another section of the VM guide, again, with the picture, so you can understand how it should look. Then underneath, you have detailed step-by-step task lists. Now, the beauty of this Trello program is that you can use it on tablet and mobile. You can walk around the stores when you're doing a campaign, and you can make sure one by one, you're doing every single task. Also, when you're ticking every task, there's a record created here. You can see Osman marked this, Osman completed, Osman completed. In the future, it will show you that you did it, or your area manager did it, or whoever did it. Whoever ticks the box, everything is recorded. So it means that very clearly, your area manager and your sales manager and store manager can see store by store and task by task, everything is completed. So it will make your life easier as well, because everything is very visible. So you can understand exactly what you need to do to execute the campaign perfectly. And then when you finish ticking all your tasks, because you've completed that area, you can actually go on here and you can upload a picture. Now, if you're using this on mobile, you see at the comment section below, it will say you can upload a picture, and same for the tablet. And also, you can @ people. So, for example, here, if you want to @ Arnell in the VM team, you just write @ Arnell. Or if you want to show your boss or your area manager or your store manager, you can @ them as well. So here, you can have an attachment, and you can go to your computer, and you can attach anything, yeah? Which is a great feature, because then you can show that in your promo table setup, this is the picture of it complete. And if there's any issues, you can mention the issues, and the area manager will create a ticket for the head office if anything is missing from the campaign elements. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it continues into lots of different cards, and you have to jump into every card, look at the picture so you understand what this card is all about. Once you understand what it's all about, you look at all the attachments, you can jump in, and you can follow each task, and then you're complete. Once everything is complete, the area manager and the head office will get notification that your store is ready. So it will make your life a lot easier. It will make the experience much better. It will make dressing your stores and get ready for campaigns beautiful for our customers, so all the stores look perfect all the time. And it will make you don't have to deal anymore with big emails or big FTPs, all that kind of stuff. Now everything is online. So good luck with the test, and we're looking forward to assisting you however we can. Thank you very much.